Hey JC, kumusta yung report natin for later?
Ito, ginagawa ko pa rin.
Sorry. Di talaga ako nakatulong kagabi. Sorry talaga.
Grabe, Charles. Hindi ako makapaniwala you missed our org's meeting kahapon.
I'm really sorry. Oh my God. It really slipped out of my mind. Sorry talaga.
Nasaan ka ba kasi kahapon? You weren't even answering my calls.
Kahapon?
Okay, Lamborghini Mercy. Yo chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk me. Okay, Lamborghini Mercy. Yo chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk me. Okay, Lamborghini Mercy. Yo chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk me.
I was with Isabella. I helped her with her law subject kasi nahihirapan siya.
Law subject? Ikaw? Asa?
Oo, seryoso. Ako. Tanungin mo pa si Isabella.
Hi baby. Hi JC.
Sakto dating mo, Isabella. Magkasama ba kayo ni Charles kagabi?
Kami? Hindi.
Uy baby, saan ka ba? Kailan pa kita hinahanap ah?
Hello baby. Kailangan ko pa mag-catch up sa sales ba eh.
Ang dali lang yan. Sure pass man palagi law subjects eh.
Ang yabang mo naman. Sige nga, turuan mo nga ako.
I'd love to. Pero kailangan ko pumunta ng meeting eh. Di ba ilang beses na yung pinaalala na JC sa akin?
Okay, I understand. Para naman sa org mo yan. Sige, have fun.
I hope so. Pero I'm sure it will be boring. Sige, alis na ako ah. Bye. Uy, pare. G later ha. Ra, sige. See you later. Bye.
So tama nga yung nabalitaan ko. Ikaw yung nag-club ng toilet sa barn? Di ka ba pasawa sa Happy Thursday? Yan na lang ba ang legacy na iiwan mo sa Lasal?
How could you lie to us? Charles, I think my point si JC, you should be more active in JPMS. In that way, you can put more of your partying energy in a more enriching outlet.
Bakit ba kasi ayaw pumunta sa meeting? Be active naman. It's for our own good, Charles.
Did the two of you plan on talking to me about this? Sa tingin niyo ba mapapilit niyo ako? Just because you ask me, that does not mean that I will do it. Okay, sige, fine. Pinipilit niya ako eh. Ano magagawa ko? Happy? I will never forget the day where I decided to be active in JPMS. At first, I did it to make my cousin and my girlfriend stop nagging me about what I'm doing with my life. Pero nung nagsimula na ako, I can't seem to stop challenging myself. Hindi ko alam na sobrang dami palang opportunities na naghihintay. All I had to do was grab them. Working was not as bad as I thought it would be. Ang dami kong natutunan. And okay, maybe may mga taong kagaya ni Nathan na minsan wini-wish ko wala na sa org. But their cruel jokes are nothing compared to the fulfillment I feel whenever I finish a project. And without me knowing it, ginagawa ko na ito dahil gusto ko at hindi dahil pinipilit lang ako. May quiz ako bukas eh. Kay Sir Dardar na naman. Pero okay lang, magaling naman siya.
Kaya mo na yan. Sa bukas, pinapatawag ka ng president.
Bakit? May ginawa ba ako masama? Wala pa naman eh. Wala pa.
Malay mo, di ba? Di natin alam. Basta bukas, kailangan pumunta ka.
Malay mo, baka busy rin ako bukas. Tingnan lang natin.
Wala, basta kailangan pumunta ka. Kailangan makita ka naman ng president kahit isang beses.
Sige. Pupunta ako bukas.
Pupunta ka ha.
Sige.
Roadway mo yan ha.
Sige, boss. Salamat po. Boss.
야, 페드로. Yes. 넌 잘생겼어. 나도 잘생겼어.
Mr. Park says, sorry to keep you waiting. How are you, Charles?
I'm okay, sir.
너는 어디 살고, 학교는 어디 다니고, 난 밥 먹는 걸 좋아해.
Mr. Park says, You must be curious on why I asked to personally talk to you.
That's one way to put how I'm feeling right now.
하늘에 계신 우리 아버지, 아버지의 이름이 거룩히 빛나시며 아버지의 나라가 오시며 아버지의 뜻이 하늘에서와 같이 땅에서도 이루어지소서.
Mr. Park says, haha, relax. I just wanted to congratulate you about two things. First is with the success of our previous event. I heard that there was a problem with the speaker, and if you did not step in, the speaker would have walked out and the event would have been a disaster. You did a good job.
I just did what I thought was right, sir.
나는 학교를 다니고 집 가는 걸 좋아해.
Mr. Park says, I know. That is why I'm confident to give you this.
나는 학교를 좋아하고 나는 운동을 좋아하고 공부도 좋아하지.
Mr. Park says, congrats, Charles. The executive board of JPMS has decided to make you head of the project of our organization's annual bazaar.
But this is the biggest event of JPMS, and you're giving it to me?
그래, 그럼 그렇게 하도록 하지.
Mr. Park says, yes, we are confident that you can do it.
But Nathan has been eyeing this project for a long time, and he is more experienced than me. So why would you choose me over him?
나는 축구를 좋아하고 농구도 좋아하고 다른 공놀이를 하는 거 좋아해.
Mr. Park says, the EB has deliberated over this already. Just trust our decision, Charles.
So good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming. I'm really excited to do this with all of you. So let's start with the concepts.
Feeling niya naman ang galing-galing niya. In-appoint lang naman siya dahil minsan niya si JC.
I really need to talk to Nathan. If this continues, there's a chance that he won't listen to my orders. I can't let that happen. I have to fix this.
Hey, Charles.
Uy, Joshua! Akala ko malis ka na. May kailangan ka ba?
Kasi, ito ba ito na kung pwede i-busy iba yung trabaho ko?
Bakit naman? I gave the marketing job to you because I believe that you can handle it.
Ano kasi, baguhan pa ka lang kasi ako. Baka kasi magkamali mamaya.
Huwag mo problemahin yun. Gawin mo lang lahat ng sinabi ko sa'yo. And if magkamali ka man, you can always ask for help from those who are more experienced than you. And if magkamali ka talaga ng sobra, huwag ka mong galala. Kasi hindi ko naman kayo iwan sa ere, okay?
Sorry talaga po, Charles. Kinakabahan talaga ako eh.
There's nothing to be sorry about. Just do your job. And, di ba, ikaw nga nakakuha ng big bang company to sponsor one of our parties. That's big for our org, and that's big for you as a trainee.
Pero Kuya Charles, it's just luck.
No, Joshua. That is potential, and you have it. Okay?
Thank you, Charles. See you.
Nathan, can I talk to you alone?
Sige na bro, I got this.
Sige, mawin na ako.
Sige bro. What do you want?
Look, I know that you don't like me. We've got a problem with that. We cannot continue working like this.
So what are you going to do? Tatanggalin mo ako sa team?
Hindi. I want to know why. Why do you hate me so much?
I don't hate you. I just don't want to work with people like you.
People like me?
Yes, people who use their relations just to climb faster to the top. I've seen a lot of people like you and I don't like it.
Eh, hindi naman totoo yun eh. I will never use anyone just so that I could get to the top.
Huh, talaga lang ah. So hindi totoo na ginagamit mo lang si JC na pinsan mo para makaakyat agad sa JPMS? Hindi totoo na ginagamit mo siya para makakuha ka ng projects?
Oo, pinsan ko kasi JC. Pero wala siyang kinalaman sa akin at sa mga projects ko. Hindi ko ginagamit yung pinsan ko para umangat sa JPMS. Everyone knows that JC is my toughest critic when it comes to org work. Kaya hindi totoo yung sinasabi mo na tinutulungan ako ni JC. Kung meron man siyang ginagawa, yun ang pahirapan ako.
And you expect me to believe that?
Ano pa talaga kinakagalit mo sa akin, Nathan? Ano bang ginawa ko?
Gusto mo talagang malaman? Fine. I worked very hard since I joined this org. And I've been eyeing this project for a long time now. This bazaar is supposed to be mine. Tapos ibibigay lang nila sa'yo ng ganun-ganun lang? Unbelievable. At alam mo kung ano pang nakakainis? Hindi na nga binigay sa akin yung project na ito, pero pinipilit pa rin nila ako na maging part ako ng team. It's like you're rubbing it to my face.
I know how you feel, bro. Pero you have to know that the EB's decisions are for everyone's best intentions. I think that you need to know why they asked you to join my team. And that's because I requested for you.
What?
Oo pa lang. From the very start, nakita ko kung gaano ka kasipag. I also know that you've had hands-on experience from our Orgs Bazaar last year. That's why we need you. I need your input, especially with the exhibitors.
Are you serious?
Oo, seryoso ako. Hindi ka nakalagay dito sa team kasi nangaasar kami. We placed you here because we need your skills. Look, Nathan, I want to fix this. How about we make an agreement?
And what do you suggest?
I want you to handle our logistics as well as the exhibitors. This is very important. Walang bazaar kung walang exhibitors.
Okay, but I want freedom with my work. I want to do what I want. And I want to get credit for my work.
Of course, but I cannot give you your full freedom. You still need to report to me, and in return, the EB will recognize your efforts this time. I will make sure that they do. If this event becomes a success, that is.
Fair enough. And what do you want in return?
Simple lang naman. I want this rift between us fixed. Let's work together with the team and make this event the best one yet. So do we have a deal?
Can't wait till I get you on the floor, good looking. Hey, going hot, so hot, just like an oven. And I'll burn myself, but just.
Basta naman yung project nyo.
Ayun, stress.
I can see that. Pero tinatanong ko yung project nyo.
Yung project, okay lang naman. May inaayos na lang kami sa location, pati sa exhibitors. Tapos medyo pinoproblema pa namin yung flow, pero malapit na maayos yun. Buti na nga lang nandun si Nathan kasi ang laki talaga ng tulong niya sa amin.
Charles, may problema tayo.
Ano yun?
One of our major sponsors and exhibitors backed out of the project. Nagkaroon kasi ng miscommunication between Joshua and the contact person. Now the company is pulling out their sponsorship if we cannot give them what we promised to them. Charles, we need them.
Wait, paano yun? Di ba next week na event nyo?
Nasaan ba si Joshua?
I have been trying to contact him since I found out, pero hindi niya na sinasagot yung phone niya.
He's probably afraid to face you guys. He messed up.
Sige na ako na maghanap kay Joshua. Ako na rin kakausap sa kanya. Okay? Sige. Don't be nervous. Akong bahala, okay?
Better that I believe that it's over. every day for a line, for a sign from you. It's a roller coaster ride of emotion.
Lucas, gusto na kong tayo sa tiyan. Sige, buka po. Ay, ano meron?
Kuya Charles, sorry talaga sa kanina. Kinakabahan ako eh.
Okay lang, tapos na. At least naayos na natin, di ba? Okay?
Sige Kuya Charles, sorry talaga.
Tama na yung sorry mo. Just be thankful na naayos na rin siya on time. Ngayon, let's just think about the event and sana maging successful siya. Okay? Sige.
The day that your brother started to talk was the day that I found you like that. The national child star in a coat and a scarf, alone in the laundromat. Now we got the keys to an apartment we share, and we stay up as late as we like Casey and Georgia, like Sonny and Cher. You're Tina, but I'm not I. So tell me what's your favorite color? Tell me your favorite color. Tell me how's.
So, I would like to thank everyone for making this event successful. Hindi magiging successful na event ito kung hindi dahil sa inyo, guys. So, congratulations!
Trending na natin sa Facebook and Instagram and Twitter yung event natin for this bazaar.
Guys, we all deserve a pat on the back.
Nathan's right, we did it. Now let's just enjoy our pizza. So, again, congratulations.